Hello, sisters. Today we're going to talk about one of the most common problems sewists face when using their sewing machine. Now let's look at this. Okay, so this shouldn't scare you. Whenever you have this kind of issue on your sewing machine, just take a deep breath. What it simply means is that the tension of your sewing machine is too loose. And I'm going to show you what I mean by that on this sewing machine. So we're using a JH5832A sewing machine here. And as you can see, the tension, which is this, is on 0. And because the tension is what helps to control the tightness or looseness of your sewing thread. Whenever it's loose, you get that result. So whenever you have this kind of result on your sewing machine, simply go to the tension setting and ensure it is set properly. So let's do that now. For this machine, I'm going to put it on 4. Okay? But please always consult your sewing manual, because that would help you to know the default setting that has been set by the OEM. Okay? And that is the setting you should always use when sewing. All right, so now let's sew again another line using our tension, which has been set to 4. All right. All right, so you can see the difference between when we add no tension and when we're using tension 4. Can you see that? So this is the back of your stitches and this is the front of the stitches. You'd realize also that the top stitch, when we add no tension, was loose. You can see that. You see? Because there was no tension to control the tightness of the thread compared to this. So this is tension 4. And that was when we add no tension. Okay? So whenever you have this kind of issues on your sewing machine, just make sure you go to your tension knob and control the tension of your sewing machine and you'll be fine. So there's really no need spending so much money on fixing this kind of sewing machine problem when you can do it all by yourself. Thank you, and see you next time.